Hey there, friends. Today I'm going to tell you about a free service for people who live in either California and Texas that lets you make $10 just for signing up. Oh, and did I mention that you can earn money by saving energy with this free service? But wait, before you take off and leave, consider sharing this video with your friends and family in Texas or California if you have any. Maybe they'd be willing to split the commission with you of the $10. Either way, it helps out my channel and I would really appreciate it. So if you've been here before, welcome back to another episode of Fremdly Tips. If you're new here, my name is Nathaniel, and this is the channel that's all about helping you discover new technology and gadgets and showing you cool ways of how to use them. So join me on this journey and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Let's get started on this. So the service is called Ohmconnect, and it works for anyone that is a customer of PG&E, SCE, or SDG&E. You connect Ohmconnect to your utility plan free of charge, and then they monitor your energy usage. When you fully set up your service with Ohmconnect, you earn $10 right off the bat. If you have a smart device like one of these, the TP-Link Smart Plug, I actually have a review about that right up here. Make sure to click on that if you want to learn more about that. Or a smart thermostat, you can actually earn an extra $10 when you connect it to your account. So that's actually $20. That's even better than the $10 I even promised you. So just use the link that I have on screen or in the description down below to get that $10 and actually the $20 if you have a smart hub or any type of thing. It really helps me out and helps out the channel because I get a little referral bonus for people that sign up using my code, so I really would appreciate it, helping out my channel and everything. One thing that actually happened to me after I signed up for Ohmconnect was that I was given 2 of these for free from them. So essentially how it works is you have to pay for half of it, half of each of these that is, and then after you sign up and connect these to your Ohm account, they will then reimburse you for the other half. So essentially it's free money, but you have to put up a little bit of money up front to then get the device. And so it's kind of a win-win because you get devices that allow you to automate your home, but also you're essentially getting them for free from this service. So what happens after you sign up? After you've connected the account, got your free $10 or $20, depending on if you actually connect it with a smart thermostat or a smart plug. Well, how it works is you can set up in your settings on Ohmconnect, you can set up the hours of when you are willing to do hours is what they called, or time frames of when you're willing to save power. And then the day before, if you look over on my screen or on the side here, you will be able to see that they will text you the day before with the time frame of when they are looking to have you save power. So for me, tomorrow it's between 9 and 10 p.m. So the whole plan during that time is to save as much energy as possible. Now, Ohmconnect does not tell you exactly how much energy you're supposed to save. They base it on averages and how much you have used, and then your goal is to beat your average. And so every single time, it basically stats on top of each other. You get more points the more times you save energy and power. So if you are able to save power 3 times in a row, that kind of compounds upon each other. And if you mess up and use a lot of energy on one of the power save times, well, you get negative points. And so this point structure is actually great because it's a way for you to be able to build up points to be able to earn money. As I mentioned at the very beginning, you can actually make money by saving energy. So for every 1,000 points you get with the service, you can turn that in for $10. So the sky's the limit on this program in terms of how much money you can make based on how much you're willing to save and turn off devices. So for those of you who are out here in California or in Texas, this service is definitely for you. I hope that this was really enlightening, and hopefully you guys are going to go sign up and take advantage of that free $10 or $20 if you actually get a smart device. Again, Ohmconnect will probably send you a free one or ask you to get a free one if you sign up. But I don't want to speak for it because they may not be doing that promotion anymore. But everybody that I've so far told about has gotten that free promotion. So I think there's a high chance of it, but I just want to play my cards right. So if you have any questions about the service or anything related to what I just kind of showed, feel free to leave a comment down below. I will definitely try to point you in the right direction and answer any questions you might have. I really appreciate all of you guys, and please use that code that I have provided. Again, I'm putting it in the on the video right here, and it's in the description. It allows you to get that $10 credit, but also it helps me by also giving me some credit back, so that way I can continue to do these videos, and it can help support me. So I really appreciate it. So if you enjoy watching my tips on how to save money, don't forget to hit a like on this video. It really helps me out, especially with the algorithm. And don't forget to check out videos right over here, the 2 videos. I've handpicked them, and I think that they might be ones that you might be interested in, so please check them out. It really helps support the channel and everything. I really appreciate all of you guys, and have a great day.